we promoted AI tools so much that people now using AI tools, but the problem is that they really don't understand how not to use AI. The number one mistake people make is that don't really use AI tool. As of now, I have observed it so many times that people don't really use AI tools for boosting their productivity.
Start using AI tools, not just because there's a hype, but to understand how things work. Because now this world is going to be divided into the people who either use AI tools or people who don't. And it is evident that technology always change and get to a different level. So maybe it's a starter for that phase, right? So use it. Also, there are so many free AI tools are available which you can use.
Now, if you're someone who don't use AI, or in contrast, you use AI tools, so let me know in the comment what tool you use daily. So let's get started. My name is Harsh and I'm the founder of TheHarshWise. Welcome to this video and subscribe my channel if you haven't. Press notification icon so you don't miss any future update. The number 2 is very important. Using one AI tools. And this is the problem, right? We should understand that for different purposes there are many different tools. So knowing just ChatGPT as AI tool is not the good thing, right? You should understand that there's a tool which is alternative of Midjourney, and it's a free alternative of Midjourney, which is Adobe Firefly. Canva is coming with its own AI tool, so you can use Canva. Notion have its own AI tool. Grammarly is a tool that's comes with AI. ChatGPT like tool, there are many alternatives, that is Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, right? And why you should not depend on one AI tool? Because sometimes these AI tools are not very good enough, right? So I was using Firefly, but before that I was using Leonardo AI for image generation.
After asking my friends, I realized that so many people have this misconception that AI tools are expensive. But in reality, there are so many tools which are free, right? If you take example of ChatGPT or Adobe Firefly, Leonardo AI, they come with a monthly limit, but they are free, right? So you can use it for free. You don't have to pay any single money. One flaw of the AI is that I tried different AI enhancers because my mic was not coming at this point. So I wanted to, record in a working stage. So I recorded 2-3 times with my laptop's mic, because here we have a fan that is continuously moving, because if I don't hear this temperature is little high because it's a closed room. I used 2-3 AI tools. And they made my whole voice robotic, which sound very bad. So I didn't use that. So that's the thing. You need to understand AI tools are still in development. And why they are still in development? Because the company which are making them are uploading or maybe making it public just to build the hype. Or sometimes they have the usability, but they are still in development. You need to understand they are not a human, or not they are 100% creative. And the data on which they are trained on are different. So let's suppose if you take the example of ChatGPT and Gemini, ChatGPT trained on a data which is maybe accumulated by data scientists of OpenAI, and for Gemini maybe its data is coming from Google. So now you understand that they are trained on different data. So Gemini have more real-time data, whereas ChatGPT will have data which is a little outdated, right? And you have seen these cases like ChatGPT making more silly mistakes. So it can happen because it's actually trained on some data.
And many of the time ChatGPT is not even good for research. But if you use Perplexity for research, you will get more ideas, more questions that you can ask to Perplexity. Let me tell you, the response are really great. You can use Perplexity as well. All these tools which I'm talking about in this video is the tool I use for my own purposes. Now there's another problem, which is sub problem of this problem, is that many of the people think that AI tools are expensive, but believe me or not, all the AI tools I talked about are free. They have premium version, they have their premium feature, but you can go with the free one, and that is great, right? That is very okay to use to anyone who wanted to use it. Another very issue is that copy pasting AI. You have seen many people using the same thing. They search on ChatGPT, like create my LinkedIn post on this topic, and they just copy it and paste it on social media and upload it. Or sometimes you have seen that people are just copy pasting comments.
If you're using ChatGPT for generating comments, understand this thing that it's at the end, it's a AI generated, right? And it's always sound like a robotic. So if you even read yourself, you will understand that it's not humanly. So if you're just generating a comment through AI, give yourself few seconds or minute to change it or add your human touch into it. Nowadays, everybody is using AI, so they know how ChatGPT is generating, right? So even if I'm generating something through ChatGPT, I know how ChatGPT look alike. So if I see someone commenting using ChatGPT, or if someone is generating content through ChatGPT, it's easily distinguishable. So don't use that.
Now you can also use ChatGPT like tools to understand a pattern. So if someone write very great content, so on social media you can copy his content and give it to ChatGPT to understand the pattern behind its content, how this content is actually framed. So not just you're copying anything, but you're actually getting a frame structure without spending your more time over understanding what is written there. The last and the very final point, which is very important, is that learn how to write prompt. Many of the people ask questions like, hey ChatGPT, can you write this? Hey ChatGPT, can you do this for me? Hey ChatGPT, this is this, that, right? This is the wrong pattern. And to learn writing good prompts, I have made a video on it, which you can watch a complete playlist on AI and ChatGPT and tools like that. And believe me, these are the prompts which you can use on any AI tool, which is your ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, or Claude. You can use that prompt and you will get the better result with different tools. So make sure you compare it with the tools which are doing better for you, and learn how to write good prompts in the link I mentioned in the description. Go forward and check that. And if you're someone who is looking forward to build your career into AI, it's very important to start your foundation, and you can become an AI engineer, or you can get into AI field by learning Python at an advanced level. But to getting at advanced, it is very important to start with the basics. And to learn basics, I have created this newsletter called Learn Python in Bits, where you can get a weekly newsletter where you can learn Python. Make sure you subscribe it. I have mentioned the link in the description, and it will be available in the pinned comment. Make sure you subscribe it, and I will see you on the next video.